Okay, so here I am down the flying field and I've got the Freewing PJ50T business jet, acquired in a private transaction. Swapped a couple of things for this. Never had anything like this before, never had an airliner, so it'd be interesting. It's twin EDF, got a 6S 6000 pack up the front from Formax, using my TX16S and an FrSky X8R receiver. Checked I've got the CG. Really easy to put this together. Just screws together really, and then you've just got to plug in your receiver and set it up. Okay, so here we go. I've got my action camera on here facing forward. Turn that on. So here we go. Well, it taxis on not a lot of power, that's nice.
Was it more on like sort of the elevator side or everything?
And the wings. You notice the wing flex as well. Yeah, neat. first stage flaps, going to take a long approach. Full flaps. Well, better than the first landing. God grief. I don't think it's an especially windy day today.
It's a bit of a weird, strange wind. It changes a lot. Which probably, the wind changes a lot today, so it's a bit of an odd one.
But the windsock's showing maybe 5 to 10 miles an hour, but that was behaving as if it was blowing a gale. And there was wing flex as well. You could see it on that. When I turned and it was coming across level, it would go like that. Quite amazing how much it was affected. But it is quite a long, thin wing, and there was quite a lot of flex in the wing as well. And it took me half the flight to trim it out for level as well. But there you go. First flight, it's down in one piece. That's all that counts with a maiden flight. So I'll review that and see what I can do to improve it. From the first flight, I'd put in a lot more flap, a maximum almost flap on the final stage, on that final approach, to really help slow it up, and that did help. And then just pick the nose up towards the end to flare for final. But down in one piece. I'll review the video and we'll go again. Thanks for watching Essential RC. I'm going to have a lie down and a cup of tea now.
Some Valium.
Thanks very much, Trev.
That's it.
Bye. Better